achievement in sound effects are Norman Wanstall for Goldfinger, Robert L. Bratton for the lively set, and the winner? The winner is Norman Wanstall for Goldfinger.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's very difficult to say thank you as sincerely as I'd like to now. But I'm a technician, so maybe I can leave the eloquence to the artists that follow. But on behalf of the sound departments that I've worked with and my production company and myself, may I thank you all very sincerely for this tremendous honor. And what's more, may I thank you for the opportunity of coming to your wonderful country. I think for my wife and I, this trip is going to be the greatest experience of our lives. Thank you very much indeed.